whatever are your roles, you can start presenting and demonstrate your work.
Yes,
Go
ma'am.
ahead. All the best.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to give demonstration on our project product recommendation using emerging technology. I'm Paltur Hirematam Aishwarya. My teammates are Neha, Matt, Nivedita G. We are working under the guidance of Dr. Sai Madhavi D, Professor, Professor, Department of Computer Science, RYMC College, Ballari. This product recommendation, we have maintained a one product folder called in our desktop. It contains one file, and a file contains all the related data documents required to run this system on this project. It contains all the details of a server, database, and commands to support our project in the backend. And a folder, it contains all the related of the files like front end pages. Here we can see this assist has three files, which is media static. In the sense of media, it contains all the front end photos and also CSS files of using front end pages. Here we can see the templates as these are the HTML pages that we have used to uh, to show in the user interface. It is a interface is a very important purpose, and this user interface is easy to user to interact with the system of our project. And next I'm going to now I will now I'll start WAM server. I'm starting WAM server to run the backend of the code. To run the backend of this code, as I previously said, in this product recommendation has one file that is that has all the contents of backend related related data, all like commands and constraints that deal with this WAM server. In WAM server, we have to open MySQL console to run this code. I had pasted that file into this WAM server, and next I'm opening the folder of that path in command prompt to migrate the Python files that we have used in this project. Python manage.py migrate, and then I'm going to run this server. Python manage.py run server command I'm going to use for. By this we can obtain the local address. By using this local address, we can into our web browser. For my convenience, I am using web browser. Using Chrome, it is faster to execute the things. This is the where user can view or admin can view this page. This is a, and I'm going to open which contains admin login details. Here, as we can see, this is a user page, and this is a admin login page. I'm going to open one more page for my reference. Here we can see user credentials like username, password. If he is an existing user, he can use the credentials of a username and password. If the new user, he can log in, he can register first into this website of the e-commerce site by giving first name, last name, username, password, confirm password, email address of the particular user, and date of birth. For the time convenience, we are being demonstrating using the registered user, which we have already there. This is admin page. Admin has the credentials of, as I said, username and password. It is a single user interface for an admin. Single user interface. And next we have a user login credentials. User also has a password, username to log in. It is necessary to have a username and password to log into this system. Here I'm using existing username for time convenience. And it is being loaded. And further explanation is given by Nihamit.
Thank you. I am Neha. Here I will explain what is your orders and product list. Your orders in the sense where user can view the orders done by himself. Here we can view the Samsung, where we have to user can update about whether he wants to buy one product or two products or three products. And in your orders, it also given that details of the products. And next is a product list. In product list, we have given some electronics devices, books, appliances, and fashion, and other things. Where in electronics, we have added some mobiles which are good, and also here customers can give the ratings convenient on themselves. And here customers can view the details about which products and description of the products. And also in admin page, admin can upload products like new products, like which are convenient to him. He can give the name of the products and weight of the products and color of that similar products and price of that. And he can also give the description, like how much the product, like example, if he is adding a mobile phone, he can give that what is storage, what is gram contents, and here he can choose a file like where he have saved, and he can submit that. Here product is going to review on upload products and ordered products, where admin can view that how many customers can order these products, and also date of order he can view, and the number of products which given by the customers, which taken by the customers, and given address given by the customers, and status that they have all confirmed or not, or still they are kept in pending list or not. Then over to Nivedita.
Thank you, Neha. I'm Nivedita, and I'll be taking on further explanation. So we'll first go for the users page, top products. And this is very important page for our project, and this is where the recommendations are being done for customers. And before a user comes to this page, they usually have some idea about that particular product, they go for viewing the ratings about that particular product before buying it, or any doing some further operations on that particular product. So in the homepage, we have that privilege of knowing how what the ratings and reviews of the particular product is. For example, we'll select one product and see what ratings have been given for that item. So while ordering, when we give the quantity of the product and location, and we have two options like add to cart and view ratings. So we'll first try and see view ratings. So for this product, we can see the following are the ratings given by various users, and user also have a privilege to give the ratings and reviews for that particular product. When we press that icon, we will get the options of giving the ratings and reviews for this product. So we'll try to give one rating, and it will be displayed.
I have given super product. It is a super product which is being reflected in the space of the same current page. As we can see here in the down, as so many times I had given it is a super product while we were practicing this project. So now I'll give other comment like bad. Sorry, for bad I'm going to give 1 rating. Then we can see here that is whether that is being reflected or not on the same page. So here I can see that it has been reflected. It is a bad product. By this, user can go through this commands where given by the earlier customers whether to buy this product or not to buy, can judge by himself to buy this product or not. Continue.
Yeah. Through this, a user can understand and make some decisions on a product and proceed further. And in the admin page, we can go and look at some graph activities that is being happening. So in this, we'll focus on a category graph. This is actually a rating analysis that is being made for different category of items that is present in our project, like fashion, motors and accessories, sports equipments, or books, electronics, and so on. So when we hover over this diagram, we can understand that this much percentage of items have been purchased for this particular category by different users. This helps the admin in understanding how the purchase is going on for the particular product, or how the product is doing, whether it is doing well or not, and make further decisions for the sake of this admin, and for the improvement for his business or any of the applications. Next is the sentiment graph. This graph is basically on sentimental analysis that is done at the backend side. So based on the calculations that is being done for the sake of sentimental analysis, we can see, for example, Samsung has positive and negative values that is being calculated, like 255 and 99. So for a particular product, the sentimental analysis is being done, and that is being reflected in this graph. In the user page, we have a similar type of a graph representations. In this graph, user will get a clear picture about idea of individual products. Like Panasonic has a 2.54% of a purchase. So how much how much quantity of particular item has been purchased can be understood and analyzed by the user before going on to purchase something. So user might have something else to buy, and might explore this page and get some more information about, okay, this product is doing well. This might help me, and go and work on and get some information on that particular product, and might change their decisions, and then go on purchasing that product. So this is also a kind of a recommendation that we are trying to give apart from the top products page. So now we will do some demonstration on how this top products page is working in order to recommend the right product for the users. So we'll select one product from the top products list.
Okay, okay, Nivedita, I'm from this top products. I'm going to select a well-known Samsung company because it is being working from past several years, and also providing good quality of the features in this smartphone. Though where we get so many nowadays we are getting so many products like iPhone and all, but I like Samsung, so I'm going to select the Samsung phone and a home page. Yeah, here can see Samsung. Okay, first we have to note that where it has been in the before giving the reviews and ratings. Can see, just note it down this rating 3.5822, and it is in 15th rank. Now I am going to give some ratings and reviews to this product, so that my favorite product to become in a top list of me. So before I'm going to order, I can view the ratings, and also I'm try to give some ratings and reviews. Here goes. It is a super product. It's good to buy. Give 5 stars for this product. To make it in a top 5th product, I am going to give two because to make it to show of this product, and it is a super 5 ratings. Why I have to give many times means it has to be variant, no, in the fractions. There we have similar type of products. Good. And 5 rating. Submit. It's good. 5 rating. Submit. Super product. And this is the last time I'm going to give this review. We'll check what the variation has been happened in the top product list, how it is being recommended. We'll see in this top products page. Now, oh wow, we'll see here. Can you able to see this? Before giving rating, it has in the 15th rank. Now it is being in the 10th rank. That too, 3.6471 as the rating is being calculated. Okay, continue.
Yeah, thank you. So based on the variations that is being done, this is calculated. We are giving multiple times since it is a demonstration for a single user interface. In real time, they have real time applications. They have multiple users every day, every single minute. People might come and give some ratings. So they have a huge amount of data, and it's easy for them to calculate sentiment and weighted probability through different approaches. So for in our project, we are doing it for a single user, and hence we are doing multiple times because it is we can't calculate sentiment and or mean of any ratings just by a single input.
You,
So
you could have included a date and time, no, for your ratings, so that
Yeah.
these ratings were given when, on which day,
yes,
which
ma'am.
year.
Admin have that privilege. We'll see
No,
to
no,
that
no.
in the
As a user, when you are giving ratings, if you are giving the date, time, location, and everything, so on what basis the rating was given, and how many times, on which date, which year, it is segregated, and further analysis, it will be helpful. That is one thing that can be added to your project. Yes.
okay.
What else you are planning to do with this after your BTech? Any additions to this?
Uh, we can
And
try to
after
implement different algorithms. We have a collaborative filtering. I want really wanted to extend this using collaborative filtering.
Okay, good. Right. So, shall I stop the recording then?
uh,
Yeah, you can start.
Nidita, this is admin page. You can continue.
Yeah. In the admin page, we'll go for the view ratings.
Okay. Of different projects, you all are giving the view.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Admin can make use of this page in understanding how the product is doing well, or whether the product has a negative impact or a positive impact in a user or a market. So in this table, we are trying to give major information of a particular product like names, available products, and ratings, reviews, and polarity. This polarity is calculated at the backend side to the sentimental analysis. We'll take one example, Lenovo product. If we observe the review, it is a neutral review. If we read the review, we will understand it because they have given it is not a bad actually, and to get the product, and if we fix some problems in it, it will be a good product. This is what the user wants to say, and this is neither bad review or positive one. So we can make it as a neutral, and a neutral review can't be made as a negative one because yeah, sometimes the neutral reviews may also help or convince some users to buy that product. So we are considering it as a positive one. So based on the calculations made in the backend side with the help of a sentimental analysis and a neo bias algorithm, we are able to determine whether the product is good or bad for the particular user. Admin can understand about the product and make the further decisions uh, through this page. It really helps the admin in understanding about the product market values and uh, opinions of various users in a common way. This is
Oh,
about the project, how it works. It's a simple user interface which uses a simple neo-bias algorithm in performing the recommendation system for the user. Thank you.
will you open your Navy Base algorithm lines code?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Here we can see this algorithm, Navy-based algorithm. A file name called sentiment sensitive one.
Have you opened it in Word?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, in your project code, you could have opened it directly, no?
Ma'am.
Okay, explain to certain extent what exactly is how that algorithm is working.
Nivedita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. We basically have two Python files where first we do the sentimental analysis and next we go for the weighted probability calculation for rating.
Yes. Ready.
From this, we will first access to the data set, and we perform some data pre-processing activities in order to make the data clean and reduce all the noise from it, like removing the punctuation marks or any other emojis or URLs that is being present in the given text by the user as a comments or reviews for the particular product. So this code is about that, and in the next page next file it is also after cleaning all the data we need to convert all the text into a lowercase form. That is being done in this code, and after being simplified and purifying the text, we are we are storing it in such a way that for a particular text we are assigning it is a positive plus 1 or a negative minus 1 in order to maintain the sentiment for that particular text, and that is for the text of the comment that is given by the user. We are analyzing the sentiment. So next it's about ratings. So in order to when the users give many ratings for the particular product, we need some calculation to get the probability, or simply to say the mean of that all those ratings. And when we calculate this rating, we are going to store it accordingly in the top rated products, through which we are recommending to the customers. So we use a naive Bayes for this purpose, because naive Bayes is very simple and easily used to calculate the weighted probability for a particular ratings that is given by the users.
Okay. Right. Uh, are you done?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, I'm stopping the recording then.